In this preview, we share only one part conclusion, part 1, and we share in this particular preview Sun's transit effect for the whole month. But part 1 conclusion, part 1 and Sun's transit. Sun's transit effect for the whole month in the preview as well as conclusion part 1 out of 10 parts. The 10 parts are like transit effect of Sun for the whole month, transit effect of Mercury for the whole month, transit effect of Mars for the whole month, transit effect of Venus effect for the whole month. Conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, 3, task precaution chantings of the premium content which you can buy from the website prakashastrologer.com. But in preview, I will only share Sun's transit effect for the whole month as well as conclusion part 1. The choice, if you need more information, more guidance, and you want to plan your whole month and there's a lot of important things are happening in this coming month, then why don't you take the full, complete premium, the complete in-depth horoscope detail, the forecast for the whole month, and make this particular guidance most useful for your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies. And because the horoscope prediction which I prepare for all of you is applied and is applied, it's pure applied astrology. So you can take the benefit out of this. Pisces, transit of Sun in 7th house, 17th September till 17th October. Sun transit in 7th house. You need to be extra careful not to challenge your senior or superior at workplace. They are likely to oppose you, resulting in enmity and humiliation. Even the relationship with your partner and neighbor may be strained this time. Your level of enthusiasm may be low at this time, resulting in inability to overcome obstacles that come in way of achieving your dream objective or goal during this phase of time. This period may take you through some setbacks in your professional activity, the generally lack of progression and success. Your health would require your care and attention, and you are more susceptible to health problems, particularly discomfort in stomach and blood-related problems, fever, fatigue. Be extra cautious with your diet and avoid indigestion, food poisoning, food allergies. The health of your family member may be also under pressure. Sun transit in 7th house, the other facet. At this time of the year, you should learn more about yourself through intimate one-to-one encounter with others. You will form working unit with others, people of various purposes. Through these units, you will understand more about the effect of you have upon others. Already existing relationship of this sort will serve the same purpose. You become more conscious of how you operate within them. One of the most important such relationship is marriage. Whether or not it is legalized arrangement, if you are married, use this time to examine your relationship with your spouse and to discover what need this relationship does not fill in your life. Try to discover how well you fulfill your spouse's need as well. In any 7th house relationship, whether it is a marriage, business partnership or other kind of partnership, you and your partnership function as unit, either in a specific area as with the business partner or in all the areas. For your own benefit, you must be as good for your partner as he or she for you. This is not the time of the year when you should try to go it alone in any type of activity. You should try to work with someone else or at least seek out opinion of another person in adversary capacity. In a business, this is a good time to consult expert in whatever field you are involved in. A consulted lawyer or other specialists may fit the requirement. The same apply to your personal life, where you may benefit from some type of counseling. If you have not been able to solve certain problem, you might consult a doctor, lawyer or psychologist, psychiatrist or even an astrologer. Such people can give you an independent perspective against which or to measure your own views of the situation. Sometimes one-to-one encounter may take the form of a conflict. Conflict can be creative because it forces you to examine your own position more thoroughly, thus become more aware of yourself. Pisces, month of September 2021, the conclusions. Conclusion part 1, Pisces. Pisces, during this phase of time, you will have a tremendous power and energy to carry out whatever you want to do in a most beautiful manner. Pisces, your fixate of purpose will be appreciated. You'll also have a strong willpower to act positively. Pisces, even in adverse situations, your performance will be unique and dignified. Pisces, your social circle will be widened, and this period there will be an enhancement to your reputation, status, prestige and honor. Frequent travel could be quite in evidence. Your relationship with your brother, sister will be fine. You might get some encouraging news through communication regarding business, trade or anything. But business trade prospect will be very good. A promotion should be anticipated if employed. Your hopes, your aspiration will be realized in this period of September, and you could enter into new enterprise, Pisces. There are a lot of support from friends and family and well-wishers. Pisces, this period should give you some sort of a gain in your business, substantial gain in your business, profession, trade. You might hear some sort of a good news regarding your close relatives. You will contact a lot of professional people from far off places. Traveling will be very useful. This period is also very good as far as love life is concerned. The attitude of the family member will be very nice toward you. During this phase of time, your fame, respect will be definitely rising. You'll come in contact across a lot of opportunity to be getting along with learned people. Your profession, trade will be flourished. You might enter into a profitable dealings. Your associates or partners will prove to be their best support toward you. Success in competition is also assured. Family life will be full of happening and full of comfort. You'll find companions will help you in this particular phase. A pleasant trip is also indicated on cards. Pisces, due to Mars, Sun position in 6th house, Jupiter position in 12th house, Mercury, Venus in 7th house. You must be aware of conflicts, clashes, foul temper, living conflict in the family. You must be aware of ego and aggressions in your mannerism, in your communication. You must be aware of relationship scandal. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month. That will define your sun's transit effect. That will define you how the higher authority, legal authority will behave with you and how will you react toward them. Will you be able to acquire a status which will give you authority, wealth and power in this particular month? Mars transit effect, your courage, your confidence, your aggression, your temper, your family relationship, your enthusiasm, your creativity. Mercury transit effect for the whole month, your flow of income, your flow of business, your flow of communication, your flow of information, your flow of career, job, profession, your profit and loss. Mercury transit effect for the whole month, your love life, your romantic life, your luxuries, your lifestyle. If you're going for a presentation or exam or test, will you be able to pass? For that kind of report, kindly visit my website. And may I say that in that detailed, extensive report, you'll acquire what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise for the whole month to achieve your spiritual blessing, to fulfill your hopes, desires and expectations. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.